Hey guys, Jeff Goldtrap here in Nashville. I wanted to bring you another bit of legal knowledge. Here's the question. What's an arraignment? Well, an arraignment is the first time you're formally charged in criminal court. Remember, you have the right to a jury trial in a case if you have the chance of going to jail. So you can go to a criminal court, or in some counties you'll hear about circuit court, and I've had a lot of people call it big court, but you can have a jury trial. Well, you can't be held to answer in a case before a jury or in a felony case, for example, until you've been arraigned, you've been indicted. So after the grand jury returns an indictment, and we'll answer that question in another film, but after the grand jury returns an indictment, you are arraigned, you're formally charged. And so a judge will bring you before the court and we'll say, are you aware of this charge? What is your plea? Many times they'll just say, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. They'll tell you what or when you're supposed to come back. In Nashville, for example, you get a scheduling order that says, on this date, you have your first discussion docket. If there are any motions, they have to be filed by a certain date. They have to be responded to by the state by a certain date. Your last discussion date will be a certain thing. That is pliable. That's negotiable a little bit. And in some counties, you'll be told this is your settlement date and this is your trial date. You'll hear these things. Don't get fascinated. Don't get hung up on them right now. The question is, what's an arraignment? The arraignment is your ticket into court. It's the first step in the criminal court process. It's the easiest step in the criminal court process. Hey, I'm Jeff Goldtrap. I hope I've answered a question. If I've created more confusion, then just please reach out, ask me a question. Ask me a question in email, text, messenger, join my Facebook group and ask questions. I look forward to helping you. Bye-bye. Go out.